Hello and welcome back to DLR 1000. This is me, Jijo, and we will look at Blast from the Past 2. I have taken in this lesson another set from CAT 2003 itself. This is not a difficult set. It has got both sequencing. Actually, in fact, none of the logical reasoning set is difficult if you ask me. All the standard logical reasoning set, none of them is difficult. If you're systematic, you can nail all of them, right? And you must get them right. So this is a set from CAT 2003. It has got both sequencing uh, as well as grouping. One of the things that you see, but with respect to the question is that every single question has got a specific answer. I don't see an if condition, so the whole story can be cracked. I should add at this point in time is that there are these families mentioned, okay, and the name of the family is not mentioned in the setup. It is actually mentioned in the rules that is given, and something like this is given here. For example, you have Shanti, who does not have any kids, reach before Sridevi's family. Now I know that Sridevi is a female name, Shanti is a female name, Raman is a male name. Uh, Pure logical reasoning, you should not assume that. Technically you should not assume unless they gave some gender. For example, Anil is not the husband of Joya, so I know that Anil is a male. Anil and Raj are fathers, so Raj is a male. Sunil and his wife reach last with the so Sunil is a male. Anil is not the husband of Joya, so Joya is a female. uh, Sridevi is Anita's daughter, go to the same school. We don't know the gender. Shanti, who does not have any kid, reached just before Sridevi's family. Technically, we don't know their gender. Raj said his son could not come because of his exam. So we technically don't know gender. Though in this particular set, that was not the case. And I'm sure that cat will not pain you like this. Give a male name for female and give a female name for male. I'm just saying. Okay, just be careful. So if it were been, for example, A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H. Then you know that you had to actually crack who's a male and who's a female. Okay, you can still crack it in this case. Okay, so uh, you can still crack that with that who are the females and who are the males. Anyways, okay, just an advice. But let's look at the setup, ladies and gentlemen. We will be systematic. Four families decide to attend the marriage ceremony of one of their colleagues. One family has no kids, while the other three have at least one kid each. Okay, so one family, the kids story is simple here. We have got at least that piece. One family, zero kids. We don't know other number, but just that this will be at not zero for the rest three of them. Okay, it will be more than one, at least one or more than one. Each family with kids has at least one kid attending the marriage. So basically, zero you will find only once. That is a good piece of information. Given below the information about the family who reached the venue. Okay, the family with so we have to look at a setup. So there is a sequence of things happening. So let's look at who came first, who came second, who came third, who came fourth, and we will look at the husband here. No reason to put husband name first. You could put the wife's name also. There is no problem. That's up to you. And we have to put the number of kids. Okay, so that's the setup that we're going to use. Okay, the family with two kids came just before the family with no kids. Two kids came just before the family with no kids. Let's go to two kids came just before the family with uh, no kids. That's kind of a two then zero. Interesting structure. Shanti, who does not have any kids. So this is Shanti. At this point in time, I'm just putting it here. Hopefully, Shanti is a wife. uh, reached just before Sridevi's family. Just before Sridevi's family. So Sridevi's family would be here. Now, this is a good structure to work with. I don't know how much we play Tetris as a game. You remember the Tetris game? With all these structures coming in. So this is a good structure because this structure is either getting here or this structure is either getting there. There are only two plays for that particular structure, right? Yeah, you could even quickly write the two cases here and then check. Okay, that could you can done that because there are only these two structures and figure out which case work and which case does not work. But that's okay. We can leave the structure. There'll be interesting structure. So this will be very beautiful things to look at. Okay, Sunil and his wife reached last with only one kid. Good. We have got Sunil. We don't know his wife, and they have one kid. Perfect. Anil is not the husband of Joya. Anil and Joya are not a couple. Anil and Raj are fathers. That tells me that Anil and Raj are fathers, which means Anil and Raj cannot come into this zero. Assuming Anil and Raj are male. Okay. So this cannot be Anil. This cannot be Raj. This also kind of cannot be Sunil as well. Correct. Because Sunil is get there. So whoever is left has to pick that particular position. Sridevi's and Anita's daughters go to the same school. Good. Joya came before Shanti. Joya came before Shanti. I think this is where I think it kind of nails as to who is a female female and male. Joya came before Shanti and met Anita when she reached the venue. So Joya came before Shanti. So Joya actually came before Shanti. Joya came before Shanti, and obviously Shanti Sridevi is a blog and met Anita. So Anita would have come before Joya. Okay, and that is four people that is fixed. One, two, three, four. That is fixed. Anita, Joya, Shanti, Sridevi. So we have got that one here. Anita, Joya, Shanti, Sridevi, and then you have this Shanti is zero. This is two. Okay, Shanti zero, and that is two. And then we know for a fact that then we know for a fact that this is this would be Raman because it can be there. So Anil is not with Joya. So this would be Anil, and this would be Raj. Okay, and this I think should be greater than or equal to one. Yeah, that's it. All right. So we have this interesting information. Sridevi's Anita's daughters go to the same school, and Raj said his son could not come because of his exam. Okay. Uh, one person did not come. All right. Let's look at the questions. Whom the following arrived third? The person who arrived third would be Shanti. That would be the case. Name the correct husband and wife. Raj and Shanti, Raj and Joya, Sunil and Sridevi. Sunil and Sridevi it is. That's the right answer choice. And other one, Raj and Anita is not the case. Yeah. Of the following five, whose daughters go to the same school? Sridevi's and Anita's daughters go to the same school. Sridevi and Anita's daughter go to the same school. That will be Anil and Sunil's daughter go to the same school. Sunil and whom the family is known to have more than one kid for certain. Raj's family would have more than one kid for certain. Raj will have definitely two kids. So this we are not sure. How many would he have? So there, that's it. That's the whole story. So here, of course, we assumed the names to be intuitively assume the names to be the female names to be the same and male names to be the same. So you would if it, but you can still figure out. So but once you kind of assume that, I think nobody even thinks that. I'm sure that when the set was given to you, Shanti, you assume it's a female name and it actually worked. I don't. I'm again saying that I don't think the cat is going to kind of pain you uh, by by actually giving a male name to a female name to a male. But very if you look at from a very mm, strict point of view, that is not the case. Okay, so the way in which you want to kind of look at is that we have got we know that Anil is a male, right? So we know that Anil is a male. We also know Raj is a male, and we kind of also know so Sunil is a male from here. Okay, Sunil and his wife. So we also know all these are male. There is this one male, so to speak, from the information that is given. That is can be one more male, right? And then we have this kind of an arrangement which has already happened. Okay, so this arrangement has already happened. And Anita, Joya, Shanti, and Sridevi. Right, that arrangement already happened. We all also know that the Sunil is all got stuck there. Sunil is there, and for this arrangement to happen, the Sridevi is kind of forced to be the female. right? Because Sri Devi has to end towards the end. Sri Devi is has to be the female. Okay. Sri Devi has to be female. Anita, we obviously know. Joya, we obviously know is a female, and then you can kind of logically see that there is just one way to kind of fix this one, that all these will be a female, but they're actually not needed. I'm just saying it's not needed to think in that particular fashion. I'm only saying that very technically speaking, the gender is actually not given. Bye.